Hi guys, this is J&M again with two new features for the Fast Carve add-on, and these are features that you suggested. In the previous video about Fast Carve, Luxury 16 asked for an axis locking when moving primitives around, and I implemented this not with middle mouse button but with keyboard shortcuts. And Silence in the Night asked for a feature for the rectangles so that you can draw it from the center or from 3 points. I added drawing from the center. So let's jump right into Blender 2.8 and have a look at the features. Okay, I press Ctrl Shift and P to open the primitive mode. The current primitive is the rectangle. And now you can see an option here, from center, yes or no. You can press the F key to change it. When you set it to no, then you have the behavior as before. You press Ctrl left click to add the first point, and then you move the mouse to set the location of the second point. Okay, but when I press the F key again and set it to yes, then you start drawing your rectangle from the center, move the mouse to define the dimensions. And this feature is really useful if you want to create a symmetrical rectangle. So thanks for this input. The next feature is axis locking for moving primitives. You can use this feature for any shape. I use a circle now. I draw it with snapping to the grid enabled. Then I press G to move it around. And now there's an option to press the X or the Y key to constrain the movement to the X or the Y axis. This feature is really great if you have snapping to the grid enabled and you want to keep your primitive at a certain position vertically or horizontally. For example, if you want to reuse the primitive for cutting into your target. So guys, this was a very short one. I just wanted to show you that I put your ideas into practice. I hope you like it, and again, if you have new ideas for features, add these to the comments below. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.